everyone, so I made this wig, 3 bundles and that's it, 3 bundles, no closure, no frontal. How on earth did I accomplish this? What did I do? Stick around for the video. Oh, by the way, the hair is from Ali Grace. Kinky hair. You'll hear about it more in the video. Enjoy, you guys. Alright guys, so how I even got this idea, I was watching, well, I YouTubed how to make a wig without a frontal, and I found a channel named by Pure Estrogen. She has 1.1 million views on this video that I watched. No, to be honest, this foundation is nothing in comparison to when you use a stocking. So if you're gonna do this, get a brown stocking cap, boo-boo. It will change your life. So now I lightened the clip lightened. I could have, yeah, I'm going to lighten the clip further down, but I'm just using a crochet needle and I'm grabbing here from underneath and then I'm pulling it to the other side and folding it over. So this is a little bit grainy, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So you see, it's nice, so it covers the width. So that's basically what I'm doing. So I'm crocheting. So now what I have to do is keep the bundles in. Is that pulling right and then pulling over, and that's all I'm doing. Now the thread will get in your way, so when you're doing the thread, don't do the thread too tight. If you do the thread too tight, then this method will not work for you at all. So I just continued going over and pulling through, going over and pulling through, going over and pulling through, and I'm combing it down, like, you know, flattening it down with my hand. And again, all I use is just the crochet needle. That's all I use, just the crochet needle. And yeah, and this is what I did. That's what it looks like. And I really hope you guys like it. I love it, but I hope you guys like it. You know, I'm not for everybody, honey. So I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. Well, continuation. I mean, where's my hairnet? I really need a hairnet. Right? So this is all the hair I have left back from the wig. I may squeeze them in, may squeeze it in, may not sure. It's all I have left. And as I said, this hair is from, let me wipe this off your face, goods. Ali Grace. Is this backwards? Oh, it's right. Ali Grace. I'll start having makeup on it, you guys. So there's the little book or whatever. The little book or whatever. The hair came in like DHL packaging. So I'm not too fussy about the DHL packaging. It is what it is, you know, because I have other things I can store my wigs in. Look at how crazy my hair looks. But this is what it looks like, right? So it's like a full cap. And let me go ahead and, where is the part? Holy crap. Holy crap. Where'd you do the part? Okay, I found the part. Alright, so I'm going to slip it on. Alright. As is. Ooh, she's snug. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me pull this forward to pull this back. Alright. And let me go ahead and bring... Alrighty then. Okay, not bad. I don't know if I said this. I think I should get my other thing heating up. Hold on. Alright, so we have a guest in the back, but I don't think I said this. Oh yeah, I must have said it. I don't know what I'm going to say in the voiceover, but I have never done this method before. I've always gotten a closure, always gotten either a closure or frontal, or my hair is natural back then, and I could, you know, do like the leave out method or whatever. This is what it looks like. Untamed, unkept. On God. Let me see if this is okay. It's hot. Okay, great. So let me put that down. So now I'm just going to use my Vanity Planet flat ironing brush. But you see, let me show you guys the top. I can't see the top, so hopefully it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Hopefully it looks good. But because the hair is so close, you're not even seeing the part. I mean, you can see that there's a divide down the middle, but you're not seeing like the part, you know. So I'm just using my flat ironing brush just to tame it, you see, just to tame it. And I have the 218 and the 116 at the top. Just flat ironing it to tame it somewhat. See, that looks so much more tamed. Now the girl is, you can actually see like the thing. Now the girl's video that I modeled this after, she actually put a stocking cap underneath. So the stocking cap, you see the stocking cap color instead of the black right here. No, I completely forgot about the stocking cap. And I was like, oh, when I remembered, I was like, oh, I could use foundation or concealer. And you guys saw me use the concealer. Look at that. This is so nice. I love hairs like this, you know. I wish I could get more and like get it longer. I had one and then I lost it. I don't know where it is. I think I left it in Florida years ago. I don't remember. And then I got another one and I gave it away. Hey, puppy. I come in. So because this, well, any wig really can be like a center or a side. Yeah. Full. It's so full. Oh. So, alright, it's a little bit hot. In the video, she kind of pressed this down, which I don't think I need to do. But I'm still gonna do it because you know how when you watch videos, you're like, I don't need that foundation, but girl, I'ma get it, honey. So far, so good with this hair. Is this not hot enough? I'm so confused. This is not hot enough, it would seem. Yeah, so far, so good. I've never tried this kinky texture from Ali Grace. I've tried so many other textures from them and I've never gotten one where I'm like, oh my god, this is absolute trash. This is, oh, see, it's nice and flat. You see that? I like when my hair is look like this, nice and flat. Yeah, I mean, this is it for the video. So let me just tell you guys what I think about the hair. The hair so far so good. And because it's kinky too, you know which method would work really nicely with this? Curly hair, like curly, deep wave, you know, those kind of curls and stuff. And you don't must have a closure. This not on, this off. Okay, you don't must have a closure for our frontal for your hair to be done, you know. So I guess this is a cheaper alternative for when you get your bundles. But especially if your hair, if you can leave out your hair and it matches with the bundles, I'll say go for it. I don't see why not. With eye hair like this and a collarbone like this, I mean, it needs all that bit of length, you know, and it tapers down. I love how this looks. Let me know your thoughts, your real uninterrupted thoughts on this texture, because I really like it. I'm running my fingers through it. I'm assuming it will get kinky as I wear it throughout the day because it's kinky hair, but as for now, there are no snags. And I saw when I was combing it out, there's no snags. And look, by just virtue of me just like, you know, pulling on it, it's getting bigger again. So, and this hair needs some length. This hair needs some length, bubble. So let me go ahead and flat iron. And if you have like one of those hot stove all-time flat iron, not the new one, no, you have to plug in my tap, but the one you have to put on the stove. We have to put on the stove like them all-time flat iron, my attack. Then that one would get this, like, would probably remove all the kinks out of it. But I like the kinks that's in it, because it lends it to be, it makes it look a little bit more authentic, you know. If I had gotten a closure or frontal, I mean, obviously, I mean, the fantasy would have been lived thoroughly. But because I didn't get a closure or a frontal, mama is just making do. And I'm not going to lie, I do not despise this hair, Ali Grace. It feels so good. It's extremely soft. Let me go ahead and switch it to side. See that? Oh my gosh. Yes, honey. I think this is so cool. Okay, the hair is sticking because I'm beginning to sweat. There's no fan on. You can't even see, you know, if you want to live the full fantasy, you can put a concealer or foundation there. You know, I'm not sure if any of the wefts showing, probably back here. because they keep on moving. This technique is not for the faint of heart or the impatient. In the video that I watched, you say you have to take a piece, like a little piece at a time. Chunks. I took out chunks at a time. I just say chunks. But yeah. Ooh, this is it. Okay, so this is it, you guys. Fantasy lived, fantasy accomplished. I love how this look, especially as a side part. It looks gorgeous. Anyway, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Ali Grace, thank you so much for sending me here to review. That collarbone, though. You know about that collarbone? Anyway, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for your support. And yeah, let me know what you think. Your honest opinions. Don't be rude. You're not, Jaleel, oh, you read so far. Jaleel, oh, you read so far.